What is the difference here? Both are string, but if I consider first string, okay, so I'm writing the string within the double quote. Here I'm writing within the single quote. There are plenty of string built-in functions that is supported by the PHP, but in my class I'm going to discuss only few of the string built-in functions. If you want to know the position of a given string, then I can able to have a function called str position. Hello to all, a warm welcome to my new session on functions in PHP. I'm your Revati ma'am, faculty from the Department of Computer Science, Vidhyaashram, First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. So dear student, in my last class, I started with functions. So what is function? Functions are nothing but the group of statements used to perform specific tasks. For example, if I want to add two numbers, what I will do? I'll write the code. Okay, for that, I'm going to give the name. Okay, so that's nothing but the user-defined function. In my last class, I started with how to create a user-defined function, how to call a user-defined function, all those things we have discussed. But in my today's class, I'm going to start with string. Along with that, I'm going to discuss string literals. So, dear student, we already know what is string. So, what is string? String is nothing but the group of character or collection of character. For example, if I consider my name, it is Revati. Okay, so how many characters I have? I have 7 character. So I can call this one as group of character. So what it is? Group of character or collection of character or sequence of character is known as what? String. Okay, fine. Now, string can be written within the double quote. If I write anything within the double quote, then it is treated as string. Okay, fine. If I write same thing within the single quote, then in some programming language, okay, within the single quote is also treated as string. So what is string? String is nothing but the collection of character or group of character. Okay, fine. Now, if I consider PHP, a string is a sequence of character such as words, phrases, or even numbers. For example, if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, and if I write within the double quote, this is also example for string. For example, okay, think that I have the grade called A+. And if I write within the double quote, this is also termed as string. So, in PHP, string can be enclosed. Enclosed in the sense what? String can be written within the double quote or within the single quote. So, strings are represented in the single quote or in the double quote. Okay, they can also be concatenated. I can able to combine two strings or I can able to club two strings by using the dot operator. And if I consider string, PHP provides okay, wide range of string built-in functions. So what is built-in function? Built-in functions are the functions which is already written and stored. Okay, whenever I want, okay, based on my requirement, I'm going to include those functions in my program. So PHP provides wide range of functions for working with string. So, the string functions may be formatting a string, searching a string, or replacing a string as well as manipulating string. So, these are the some string built-in functions. Okay, fine. Now, okay, if I consider PHP script, okay, see, this is the simple PHP code. So, we know that, okay, we are going to write the PHP in the HTML. In the sense what? We are going to enclose PHP in the HTML. So it is my HTML tag, it's my body tag. Okay, in the body I'm writing PHP script. So here what is X? X is nothing but the variable of the type string. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm assigning the string Hania to X and I'm printing the string. So echo is a method used to display the content on the monitor or on the screen. So what message I'm expecting here? That's nothing but the hello Hania. Okay, fine. Now I have one more string called Y. Okay, so what I'm assigning here? I'm assigning Daivik. What is the difference here? Both are string. But if I consider first string, okay, so I'm writing the string within the double quote. Here I'm writing within the single quote. So here PHP supports single quote as well as double quote to define the string. Okay, fine. If I consider string literals. So what is literal? I hope we studied the concept literals. So what is literals? Literals are nothing but the constant. So what is constant? Constants are nothing but the fixed value. For example, if I write A equal to 10, so what it indicates that I'm going to assign A to 10 and the value of the A remains as it is. So constants are nothing but the literals. Okay, fine. We studied literals in our Java. Okay, we studied integer literals, we studied floating point literals, we studied string literals. Okay, we studied character literals, all those things. Same concept, okay, but if I consider string literals, we have 4 different types of, okay, string literals. In the sense what? I can able to specify the constant values. Okay, in string I can able to define the strings in 4 different way. One is within the single quote, second one is within the double quote, and the third one is here doc syntax and new doc syntax. So the string can be expressed or written in the 4 different forms, that is using single quote, using double quote, here doc as well as new doc. Anyway, dear student, let's discuss these types one by one. Anyway, at the beginning, I'm going to have this single quoted. So what is single quoted? Whenever I want to create a string and if I write the string within the single quote, then it is called single quoted. Okay, for example, I'll consider my name itself. Okay, it is Revati. Wow. Okay, and if I write within the single quote and if I take a variable called x, okay, so what x holds now? X holds the string. So what kind of string? What's the name of the string? What string it is? That is nothing but the Revati. So we can able to create a string in PHP by enclosing the text in a single quote. So what I'm doing here? I'm writing the Revati within the single quote. So I'm enclosing within the single quote. Okay, fine. So it is the easiest way, in the sense what most commonly used string representation is single quote. Okay, fine. See here. Okay, this is my PHP script. Dollar, that is a str, it's a string variable and I'm assigning the value hello text within single quote. Okay, so here this is the single quote and this is the single quote, opening single quote and closing single quote. And when I display the str, what I'm getting? I'm getting hello text within single quote. Okay, fine. We can able to specify this string within the double quote. So how to write double quote? This is the double quote. Okay, fine. See here, this is the example program I have. So I'm writing hello text within double quote. Okay, and when I display str, what I'm getting? I'm getting the output hello text within double quote. Now, okay, I have here doc syntax. This is the another way used to represent this string. So when I use here doc, when I want to have multi-line string, okay, so when I want to include multiple line string, in that time I'll go with the here doc. So here doc is a way to specify the multi-line string literals. Think that, okay, I have 1 line, 2 line, 3 line. Okay, I have multi-line literals. Okay, so to have this kind of literals, I'm going to have the here doc. It allows for the, okay, inclusion of variables. Okay, in the sense what I can able to include the variables even, okay, and special characters within the string without having to use the concatenation or escape sequence. So I can able to have the variable characters, okay, and I cannot able to have the concatenation of the character, or even I cannot have any escape sequence. Whenever I want to have the multi-line literals, string literals, then I'll go with the here doc. So here, see here, it is my PHP script. Okay, I have name John. What is the age? It is 30. Okay, and see, I'm taking the variable called string. Okay, I'll start with EOT. Over. So, hello, my name is, I want to display the name John. Okay, and I am age years old. And I'm going to close the here doc. Okay, that's nothing but the EOT, end of the EOT. Now, see here, I'm printing, okay, echo string. Now, string holds the multiple line. What is my output? That is, hello, my name is John, I am 30 years old. So, this part illustrates that this is nothing but the here doc syntax. Okay, it's nothing but the here doc syntax. So I'll take one variable of type string, okay, and okay, I'll use the what kind of operator? It is instance of operator, okay, then EOT, okay. So I'll write the multi-line string and I'm going to close the EOT. Now, if I consider another type of representing string literal, that is now doc. Okay, fine. In now doc, why I use now doc? Same, it is similar to here doc. So now doc syntax can be used to specify a string literals. So dear student, then what is the difference between now doc and here doc? Because we already have here doc, but still why I want now doc? Because now doc is a very easy way to represent multi-line string literals. So here, see here, okay, I have the variable str, okay, I'm assigning demo. Now, welcome to PHP, okay, in the sense what? It's a message, it's a string, okay, it is multi-line string, multi-line string literal, and I'm going to close the demo. Now, when I call the method echo, I'm getting the output, welcome to PHP, learn with new doc example. So this is the way I can able to use now doc as well as here doc syntax. So dear student, if I consider string literals can be represented in 4 different ways. That is through the single quote, double quote, here doc syntax as well as now doc syntax. Now I'm going to have, okay, string built-in functions. There are plenty of string built-in functions that is supported by the PHP, but in my class, I'm going to discuss only few of these string built-in functions. Okay, fine. In that, okay, the most commonly used built-in function here is string len. So built-in function in the sense what? It is already written. Okay, the functions, okay, the operations of this strlen is already written and kept. And according to my need, okay, what I'm doing? I am accessing the string length function. Suppose if I want to find the length of the string, what I will do? Instead of doing manually, I'll use the built-in function. Okay, so the string length function in PHP is used to determine the length of the string. When I call string length function, what it is going to do? It is going to return the length of the string. So see here, I have the string variable called str and I have the message hello world. Okay, fine. Now I am going to take a variable called len and I'm calling the function string len and I'm passing the argument, that is str. Now I want to know the length of the string. So the length of the string is how much? You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and this white space one, it is 13. So the length of the string is 13. So what is my length of the string? That is nothing but the 13. Okay, fine. Now I have one more important function, that is string word count. String word count in the sense what? How many words are there in my string? I want to count. Okay. For example, okay. Welcome to PHP class. So what is word? This is one word. This is one word. This one word. And this one word. So how many words are there? 4 words. So, to count number of words in the given line or given string, we use string word count. So, here string word count function is used to count the number of words in a given string. Okay, so it takes string as input. So, what is the input to this function? String. And what it returns? It returns integer number. So that's nothing but the number of words in a given string. Okay, fine. Let me to consider the example here. I have the string variable. Okay, what I'm writing here? This is a sample string. So how many words I have? 5 words. Now, okay, I'm considering the variable called word count, okay, and I'm going to call the method str word count. Okay, fine. Then what I'm doing here, I'm passing the string. And what is the input here? Input is nothing but this string and this function returns integer as output. So what word count holds? Word count holds the value 5 now. Now I'll display the number of word count, that is the number of words in the string is, I'm going to display the count. Okay, so the number of words in the string is 5. What's my output? 5 is my output. Okay, fine. There are certain times what I want to do, I want to reverse the string. I have the string, okay, I just want to reverse the string. Instead of doing manually, what I will do, I'll go with the built-in function. I'll go with the built-in function strrev. Okay, so strreverse is the function used to reverse the string. Then what is reversing a string? Okay, fine, I'll consider, okay, it is PHP class. I have the string called class. Okay, fine. From this, I want to reverse. Yes, ALC, okay, PHP. I just want to reverse a string. For that, I'm going to have strrev. So, let me to explain the example now. Okay, I have this string variable and what I'm assigning here? I'm assigning hello world. Okay, fine. Now, okay, I'm considering the variable called reversed string, okay, and I'm going to call a function that is strrev, and what I'm passing? I'm passing string. What I'm passing? I'm passing string, okay. Now, when I print, what I'm getting? I'm getting the reverse string. So, what I'm getting? That is DLROW. So, DLROW. And if I consider this one, OLLEH. So, I'm getting OLLEH. This is the way I can able to use string reverse function. Now, okay, I have one more important function, that is built-in function, str position. If you want to know the position of a given string, then I can able to have a function called str position. The str position function in PHP is used to find the position of the first occurrence. Okay, how many times? Okay, there are 2 to 3 times the same word is present, but by using str position method or function, okay, I am going to get the first occurrence of this string. So, first occurrence in the sense what? First time it has appeared, okay, that position you are going to get. So, here, this is my example. I have the variable called string, okay, I have the string that is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So, I want to find the position of the fox. I want to find the position of the fox. So, first time, okay, where it has appeared. Now, I am considering the variable called position, okay, and I'm calling the method. What is my method name here? String position, and it takes 2 parameters, okay. One is the string, okay. What string? Okay, the actual string. In that, what word I want to find. So, that is my second argument. So, I just want to find fox. I want to know the position of the fox. And okay, I'm displaying the position. Okay, fine. If I consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Where the fox is present, it present at the position 16. So, what's my output? That is 16. Okay, this is the way I can able to use str position. Even I have string uppercase, string lowercase, okay, string concatenation, string comparison, all those functions. So, dear student, even I have string comparison, string concatenation, string uppercase, string lowercase functions. Okay, fine. Now, I have the function called str lowercase. So, what is str lowercase? Str, it is nothing but the string to lowercase function. See, okay, whatever the string I have, I want to convert that into lowercase. So, it is string to lowercase. For example, okay, I have Revati. Okay, what I have? I have Revati. What I want to do? I want to convert this into small letter. So, I'll get Revati, small letter Revati. Okay, fine. If I have PHP, okay, after converting, what I'll get? PHP. So, I just want to convert uppercase to lowercase. So, str to lowercase, that is nothing but the uppercase to lowercase, is a PHP function that is used to convert a string to lowercase letter. What I'm doing here, I'm converting uppercase letter to lowercase, and it takes 1 parameter. So, str to lower takes only 1 parameter, and it converts the uppercase letter to lowercase, and it returns the converted string. Now, this is my example. I have the variable called string, and I have this string, that is, this is a string. what I have? I have this as a string. So when I call the lowercase, that is string to lowercase, see here, this is my uppercase, this must be converted to lowercase, and here string, this must be converted to lowercase string. This output what I'm expecting. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now I have the variable called lowercase, okay, and I'm calling the method str to lowercase, and I'm passing the string. So what is my string? That is nothing but this is a string. And when I display echo lowercase string, I get the output, that is this is a string. So all the text must be in smaller case. So I'm just converting uppercase letter to lowercase letter by using str to lower. So dear student, by using str to lowercase, I'm just converting the uppercase letter to the lowercase. Similarly, if I want to convert, okay, lowercase to uppercase, even I have the method called str to uppercase. In the sense what? My input should be in the form of lowercase, and after calling the str to uppercase, what's my output? All the strings are in uppercase. So these are the certain built-in methods comes under string. So dear student, in my today's class, I started with what is string. So what is string? String is nothing but the collection or group or sequence of character, and strings are represented in using single quote, double quote, here dog or now dog syntax. Along with that, I have discussed some of the built-in functions, that's nothing but the string built-in functions. Anyway, dear student, okay, let's meet in the next session with more information about PHP. Until that, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.